Last year, I earned 166,000 pesos in dividends from Philippine stocks. Cash paid into my brokerage account after tax, just for owning shares. I'll show you the broker statement, the strategy I use, and the years I lost money before I figured this out. I'm Zarf. Let's get into it.
I started 2025 with 2.6 million pesos invested in Philippine stocks. I added 352,000 pesos from my income through the year. I ended at 3.4 million pesos. 268,000 pesos of that growth came from price appreciation. 166,000 pesos came from dividends. Total earned 434,000 pesos. Total return 15.10%. The dividend number is already net of tax. Philippine dividends are taxed at 10%, withheld before the cash hits your account. So the 166,000 pesos is real, spendable money.
The cash didn't arrive smoothly. Some months were huge, most were small. September was my biggest month, 31,000 pesos in a single month. April, May, June, August, and September were all strong. The other months were small. Here's the part most people miss. September was a negative month for stock prices. My portfolio value dropped that month, but it was still my biggest dividend payday of the year. That's the whole point of dividend investing. The cash keeps coming whether prices are up or down. Quick note, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is my personal experience. Not financial advice. Always do your own research or talk to a licensed professional. What worked for me may not work for you. 15.10% sounds clean. The actual ride wasn't. Out of 12 months, 4 were negative. The worst was October. My portfolio dropped 83,000 pesos in 30 days. If you panic and sell when prices fall, you would have sold at the bottom and missed the recovery. I wasn't nervous. I've been doing this since 2014. I've seen worse. The 15.10% return is what you get only if you don't sell when things look ugly. The dividends kept paying me through the red months. By December, the portfolio finished above where it started. The 11 years before this looked very different. I started in 2014. 2,000 pesos a month, that's it. I tried everything. Stock trading, mutual funds, crypto, different yield strategies. I lost money on most of it. What I called investing back then was really just gambling. I bought based on hype and sold in panic. I chased high yields without understanding the risk. It took me years to learn the difference between investing and speculating. Investing is buying a real company that earns money and shares its profits. Speculating is hoping someone else pays more later. I was speculating for too long. 2 simple shifts. That's all it took. 1. Every time my income went up, I increased what I invested instead of upgrading my lifestyle. Today, I invest around 40% of our household income. Your number will be different. The point is percentage, not pesos. 2. I got patient. I focus on companies that have paid dividends consistently for years and are currently undervalued. 2 filters. That's it. If both answers are yes, I buy. If not, I wait. Buy and hold isn't always the answer. Here's my actual rule. When a stock gains 40% or more, I sell 20,000 pesos worth. That's about 15% of my position. I lock in part of the profit and I move that cash into another undervalued dividend stock. One exception. If I haven't finished building my full position, I don't sell. I keep buying, even as the price rises. The 40% rule only kicks in after I've reached my target allocation. Build first, trim second. You don't need millions to begin. If you have 5,000 pesos, you can start. Pick a company you understand. Something that's been around for years and has paid dividends consistently. Buy a few shares. Reinvest every dividend. Add what you can every month. However, before you invest, build your emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses in a savings account. Stocks go up and down. You don't want to be forced to sell when prices are low. The hardest part is not picking. It's starting. Start small. Be consistent. Grow patiently. 166,000 pesos in dividends. 268,000 pesos in price gains. 434,000 pesos total. 15.10%. All from Philippine stocks. 11 years of slow, patient compounding. It works, but only if you start. I'll be posting monthly portfolio updates. Real numbers, real broker statements. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. The channel is brand new. I appreciate you subscribing. See you in the next one.